Assalamualaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to take social science class for the student of class 2 student, and our today's topic is matching. So student, look at the board. Our today's topic is matching and lecture number 16. Again I am repeating today's topic matching and lecture number 16. So student, let's start our today's topic matching. Matching number 1, column A and column B. First I read column A. Column A. There is a library. B, we have. C, we should obey. D, we should not. E, Bangladesh is. Column B, our teachers in our school, morning, day, assembly, every day. A small country by area, misuse our national wealth. Now student, our answer is A plus 2, B plus 3, C plus 1, D plus 5, E plus 4. And our written answer, there is a library in our school. We have morning, day, assembly every day. We should obey our teachers. We should not misuse our national wealth. Bangladesh is a small country by area. Okay dear student, this is our answer. A plus 2 in our school. B, we have morning, day, assembly. Number 3, we should obey our teacher. We should not misuse our national wealth. And Bangladesh is a small country by area. Okay, matching 2. Column A. Student, look at the board. Matching 2, column A. Transports are overcrowded. Tribal people follow. Population is our. Doctors work. The postman. Column B. Main national problem, delivers letters, a traditional way of life in a hospital with people. And our answer, A plus 5. A plus 5, transport are overcrowded with people. B plus 3, tribal people follow a traditional way of life. C plus 1, population is our main national problem. D plus 4, doctors work in a hospital. E plus 2, the postman delivers letter. Again I am repeating the answer. A, transport are overcrowded with people. Tribal people follow a traditional way of life. Population is our main national problem. Doctors work in a hospital. The postman delivers letters. Okay dear student, this is our today's topic. Hope all students have understood today's topic. Stay home, abide by your parents. See you again inshallah.